Apply the parking brake and start your vehicle. Press and hold the brake pedal, then shift the transmission into neutral. Use a small object or your vehicle's valet key. Press and hold the recessed transfer case button until the light turns red. The transfer case neutral button is used for recreational towing of your vehicle to ensure no damage will be done to any internal parts. When the indicator light turns off, release the neutral button. After the neutral button has been released, the transfer case will shift into position indicating by the selector switch. Manual park release is used for if your vehicle's battery is dead and needs to be shifted into neutral. Open the center console and locate the manual park release cover. Remove it by snapping the cover away from the console hinges. Using a screwdriver or the valet key, press the metal latch towards the tether strap, at the same time pulling upwards on the tether strap until it clicks and releases out of the park position. To disengage the manual park release, apply tension upwards while pushing the release latch towards the tether to unlock the lever. Once the tension has been released and the lever has been unlocked, be sure to stow it properly and lock into position. Then you can replace the cover by snapping it back into place. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more bi-weekly videos. Check the description for more information.